but I will tell you why your sales are up and down is if you list, so I have a 5,600 item eBay store. I'm at like 5,620. My eBay store, down there in the comments, I'm gonna pin it. If you wanna go buy something, I have a lot of items for sale. So let's say you list, sorry for the shameless plug, if you list 20 items, not all 20 of those are gonna sell today. Now, different items have a different sell-through rate, which means that they're gonna sell, it takes either longer or shorter for them to sell. And what you really wanna look at is, if you have 5,600 items and you sold $200 for the day, that is all the sales that you've gotten from people searching for those items. So eBay is like a catalog, right? And it's like a catalog of items. So eBay is not gonna hide your items.